Fecal Sludge Treatment Plant by MAC India Limited. Evacuating human fecal sludge from septic tanks and its disposal management are very critical in densely populated urban areas and are growing health hazards due to the increasing population. It is causing deadly viral diseases such as dengue, chikungunya and malaria, etc. The disposal of the evacuated human sludge is yet another issue. It is taken away outside the city limits and dumped in an open area, causing significant pollution to the surroundings. This process continues every day, contributing to pollution of Mother Earth on a daily basis. We, at MAC India Limited, we strive hard to eliminate pollution of Mother Earth and keep it clean for the better living of all lives. We took up research and development with the support of the Karnataka government, and the results have been highly successful. The research is complete and ready for implementation. The R&D project was visited by Chief Secretary and Technical Director Government of India along with members from Swachh Bharat and Karnataka Rural Drinking Water and Sanitation Department on 4/4/2023 and highly appreciated the effort and technology of MAC Fecal Sludge Treatment Plant. The technology is the same MAC DRDO Anaerobic Bacteria Digestion ABD septic tank, a patented technology. The fecal sludge is diluted and passed through the ABD tank, and the output water is suitable for irrigation or for reuse for all purposes other than drinking, following further minor treatment. We also used MAC 340 on the sludge in the septic tank to eliminate the foul smell before evacuating the tank. This ensures that the bad smell does not spread to the surrounding area during evacuation and transportation to the disposal site. This is a 3 KLD pilot fecal sludge treatment plant. Fecal sludge collected from septic tanks is discharged into the receiving tank and then pumped to the dilution tank, where it is mixed with water in a controlled ratio using recycled treated water. From the dilution tank, the sludge passes through the hydrodynamic cavitation device, enhancing treatment efficiency by breaking down complex organic matter. The pre-treated sludge then enters the ABD tank, where anaerobic bacteria digest organic matter and reduce the pollution load. The treated effluent flows to the filter feed tank and passes through a dual media filter for solid removal. Finally, the water undergoes AOP-UF treatment, producing high-quality treated water suitable for reuse or safe discharge. This is the treated clean water from the FSTP implemented at MAC India Limited, Coimbatore. Mission accomplished. Technology is ready for implementation. Now you may use this technology to keep city or town clean.